Hi, welcome back to the Coding Genius, and in this series we are going to work on full stack to-do app. And for creating APIs we will use Node.js and MongoDB as a database, and we will use Flutter on our front end side for our apps. So please like, share my videos and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. So first of all, we need to set up our Node.js. So come to Node.js website and download this Node.js version. And after finishing this download, then go to and install this Node.js. So actually, I have already set up this Node.js. So I'm not going to repeat it again. And after completing your setup, now come to your command prompt, and here you can check it is successfully set up in your system or not. You will come to command prompt and write node space hyphen version, and it will tell you your current Node.js version. And there is another thing, that is npm. And npm is basically node package manager. uh, Basically it will help you to install multiple packages that you can use in your Node.js project. And it will npm.version will help you to tell you it's actually npm version. And there is one more thing, that is I think so it is necessary, and that is like n nvm. Okay, so this is basically node version manager, like our FVM in Flutter. Okay, we can manage our Node.js versions using this NVM. Okay, so this is for these npm, NVM, and Node. So come to your Visual Studio Code and create a folder, empty folder. I have created an empty folder to do API, and here you can see it is empty. And first of all we will initialize. Let me clear it. Okay, so first of all we will write npm init. We will initialize our Node.js into for creating our APIs. So write npm init, and it will ask you some questions like package name. I will when if we click on enter, then it will take to do API as a package name. And for right now, for learning purpose, I'm just using this its default data, like package name will be to do API and version will be 1.0.0. Description will be empty. Entry point will be index.js, that is common. And if we click on enter, then it will ask for test commands. I will click on enter. Then get repository, I will click on enter. Keywords, enter license. Here you can add your licenses, different licenses. Okay, and so after that it will show you a package.json, like JSON format, name, version, main scripts. And it will ask you a question, is this okay? I will write yes and click on enter. Okay, it will set up package.json file in your left side. And I will clear this screen. And if we come to this package.json, then here you can see it will show you a text like name, version. Name is to do API, version is 1.0.0, main is index.js. You can also update these things here. In script types you can add multiple steps, multiple scripts that will help you in your development phase. Okay, and right now these are the things for package.json. And when we install multiple packages, then those dependencies will be also added to this package.json file, and I will cover it later. Let me close this, and for now we will create a file index. package.js, because in our package.json we have declared our main file is index.json. So we will create a file index.json. So basically, what is Node.js? Node.js is a runtime environment, a runtime environment, and that help us to create APIs and for our JavaScript. Basically, JavaScript don't create backends, so that's why we use Node.js to create our APIs. And Node.js is actually not a framework and not a language. It is actually a runtime environment that runs on JavaScript. Okay, V8 engine. So let me show you console.log. We will print like testing. Now if we come to our terminal, and if we write node space index.js, then it will print testing. Okay, and if I update this text and if we rerun this command, then it will show us learning node. Okay, so this is for this video.